Welcome to Nuer Tube. Today we are going to talk about some English and Tognath basic phrase. Bana racha ka domne read ni en wale ka kui English kana Tognath kana ti de ka jilwak mugurka. Ban racha ka kui I ke she ke it. I raja ka kui wuda, she raja ka kui nyal, it raja ka kandangro. Bana chuo ka kandom entity chakarela kanu micha kwan ba nyong mulo ja ka Thok nath men nyam to English roda Tognath na me chira kamala shal ka conversation ala right ne na dangro muraika don ba jite jaran bi jakula loch so na chana jato. What does John do? What does John do? John ngula ledam tej mi tak. What does John do? John ngula ledam. He works as a teacher. He works as a teacher. Jen la lede la ngich. Tiaganon. What does John do? John ngula ledam. He works as a teacher. What does John do? He works as a teacher. John works as a teacher. Dere na me I ma dere garbo ka jen ke shoot John ba gwadam but ko alana me chal ke singular pronoun so bi chonga jelo lut keni choran gwadam. What does John do? John ngula ledamo. He works as a teacher. Jen la lede la ngich. John la lede la ngich. Question number 2. What does Mary like to do in her free time? What does Mary like to do in her free time? Ngula Mary ja ledo gwasan lora. Ngula Mary ja ledo gwasan lora. Mary gwasan lora ngula ledamo. She loves painting and reading novels. She loves painting and reading novels. Jen noga biel ngwani ka noga kwen bongne. Novel ka bongne tin kwen katin chagor. She loves painting and reading novels. Jen noga biel ngwani ka noga kwen bongne. Painting a biel me bieli duhor. Question number 3. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? Jom weidi and wale. Jom weidi and wale. Weather a jom. Ala jom and put. How is the weather today? Jom weidi and wale. It is very cold and windy outside. It is very cold and windy outside. Jen koshe long kapude long rar. Jen koshe kapude a long rar. Ala jom pude. Chikamu wawa. Ko tej milet shite karandwel. It is very cold and windy outside. Jen koshe a long kapude a long rar. Windy a muput ke jom mupude. Question number 4. Does your brother study hard? Does your brother study hard? Kadamor la kwene long. Ki damor la kwene bum. Ki damor lunga queen. De larka continue to. Does your brother study hard? Damor la kwene long. Kadamor la kwene long. Kadamor jen ngeje queen. Something like that. They don't much. Yes, he always does his homework on time. Yes, he always does his homework on time. Jen la latching a lede ka guasde. Jen la latching a lede ka guasde. Mi charge mo ka latching. Mi charge kam homework a lat dan cha kam yi ngi je wi je lat ching. Jen la latching a lede ka guade. Yes, he always does his homework on time. Jen nishang la latching a lede ka guasde. Question number 5. Does your sister live with you? Does your sister live with you? Kay nyimor sheng yen kel. Nyimor sheng yen kel. Does your sister live with you? Kay nyimor sheng yen kel. Me damore larano. Does your brother live with you? Kadamor sheng yen kel. Do no question me. Does your sister live with you? Kay nyimor sheng yen kel. Etich. No, she lives in another city. No, she lives in another city. A. Jen sheng away dodien. A. Sheng away dodien. A. Jen sheng away dodien. Jename lot kenishi okay. Jen take jename. She listen to the godi kangajalong. Question number 6. What time is it now? What time is it now? Eta dien tama. What time is it now? Eta dien tama. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Jen eta diok antama ke chang der. Eta diok antama ke chang der. Mcha ti jenu eta di antama. De lojede eta diok antama ke chang der. La jen lat ke je ke it is. It lo ni jen. Okay. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Jen eta diok antama ke chang der. Ki der wo eta diok antama ke chang der. Question number 7. What time does your dad wake up? What time does your dad wake up? Gu laro da jeja ke thadi. Baba du laro da jeja ke thadi. Gur laro da jeja ke thadi. Ala dad gur. Okay, ki Ramadan dapi. Gur laro da jeja ke thadi. Ki baba du laro da jeja ke thadi. He wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. He wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. Jen laro da jeje ni siang ke tabakele a.m. Tabakele a.m. runwang, okay? He wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. Jen laro da jeje ke tabakele a.m. ni siang. Number 8. Das nyeluak la kop. Das nyeluak la kop. Ke nyeluak noko kop. Nyeluak noko kop. Gwas amemen bingach alaman yos ke das keje. Das roje ke singular. Mi ram ke lentem mikenero win yam de nang ke do. But ko ram ke la remember that chuja faru janeme. Ba nang ke das mi ram ke roje ke kwiram kel. Jala singular pronoun. Das nyeluak lakop. Nyeluak ram kel. Ani mungwan ken. Misha mikenero wal ne diok jendong di kula larano du nyeluak an chol lakop. Lomong wan ka bat ko kel ba yik nang kongu ke das. Das nyeluak lakop. Ka nyeluak nokokop. Nyeluak nokokop. Yes, she loves it. Yes, she loves it. Yes, nyeluak's love kop. Ita chunga ka kwi kop ka. Okay? Yes, she loves kop. Ke yes, she loves it. Jan nokaja. Jan nokokop. Okay, di nang do dan di nang. Jen noke je kie jen noke kop. Number 9. How is your new phone? How is your new phone? Phone du men jidit tedi. Telephone du men jidit tedi. Di nang ke phone du. Phone du men jidit tedi. Muko gani jadi larno phone du men pai kok tedi. Do na me how is your new phone? Phone du men jidit tedi. Mi jidit pai kami ke mo pai kok. Phone du men jidit tedi. It is amazing. I love using it. It is amazing. I love using it. Jen emugwalong en nakaja. Jen emugwalong en nakaja. Question number 10. Does Tom play football? Does Tom play football? En Tom pwane jala ngara ke kure. Tom la ngara ke kure. Yes, he plays every weekend with his friend. Jala ngara ne siang. Kenin longa, joka, kena masnika. So, misi choban gwas me ke chilode te de long ko chilisana me chija gor. Gor no jin bije nyuak ne ten kokena kon gor ka je en gode kan tung na de kan ngach ke de ka muto de kan gode kan ngach ka tuk English. Gor je no de subscribe, de je like ka de je share. Ko jen do budanan bi lerti ke rwani ti la nyingi ka bukan kul mala shub keji gwasa dana pai ka brech. Ani biata kamal bana nyog je kam da den bye bye.